So this is Aqualarm, and as the name suggests, it's water plus reminder. That is aqua plus alarm. So what it does it reminds me to drink water, or I can also calculate how much time has passed since I last took a sip of water. So it has two modes, stopwatch mode and timer mode, which can be controlled with this light switch over here. Right now it's on the timer mode and I can easily switch on the stopwatch mode by switching it in the another direction. Then over here we have a potentiometer under this cap. So while it's in the timer mode and we turn the potentiometer, the time will either increase or decrease. So if I turn this in anti-clockwise, the time will decrease, and if I turn it in clockwise, the time will increase. The maximum time that can be set is 60 minutes, that is 1 hour, as you should drink water at most every 1 hour, and the minimum is 5 minutes. So every number in here is a multiple of 5. So now I switched the mode to stopwatch, and as you can see, the pointer has also changed. Once I'll keep a bottle of water or a glass of water on it, the stopwatch will start and it will remind me how much time has passed since I last took a sip of water. And once I will pick it up, it will reset and come back to 0. So right now it's in the timer mode and I have set a timer for 5 minutes. Now whenever I keep the glass of water on it, the timer will start and exactly after 5 minutes it will buzz off. There is an indicator over here that indicates whether the glass is present on top of it. It's at right now N, that means the glass is not there, and Y means the glass is present. Now I'll keep the glass of water on it and the timer will start. As you can see, the timer has started and the indicator has changed to Y. So 5 minutes have passed and it has started buzzing. Now when I will take the glass off, it will stop and the timer will reset. So now this machine will never let you forget drinking water.